In this video, I show you how to install ARB rock sliders to your Jimny JB74. This looks like on the surface like it's a really easy install, but as this video will show you, you got to watch it all the way to the end. Just some of the problem areas of it. I thought this would be like a 2-minute video, but it kind of ballooned out, just some of the areas. Before you even start the job, just make sure you read the instruction manual front to back. You make sure you've got all your parts and you make sure you've got all your tools, because there's nothing worse than getting halfway through a job and then realizing, oh crap, I don't have this part, I don't have this tool. One other thing, if you haven't purchased the rock sliders already, make sure you get them directly through ARB. They'll give you the lowest price. They know exactly where they are, so you're never going to have a problem with sourcing them. I tried getting these parts through another company and it was just a nightmare. It took them a month. They didn't know where they were. Yeah, it's a nightmare. But I'll go into ARB Welshpool and they, within 2 days, I had my hands on these parts. So I highly recommend you go straight into the store and buy them directly from the dealership. Hiccup. This is the 17 fits the nut. The 16 fits the bit of a gap. The 17 fits the head. Is that difficult? That hole. So, hey, on this side, no way. Oh, is it going to go all the way through? No. Oh no. 10mm drill. Let's see if we can. That's really strange. Maybe I had a Jimny that was off. That was wasn't to spec. Those are definitely on this car at least. Yeah, I needed to drill them out. Strangely. Oh yeah, use the claw end, the open end. For this, because if you use this side, the ringy, the thread will come through and you won't be able to get it off the nut. So round 2. So just do that. Plate goes in like that. This one's a lot easier than the other side because it's not I spoke too soon, baby. It's not going over the hydraulic lines. But in saying that, look what I just found. So there's a cord. I hope the camera can see it. But there's a cord. See this? You got to get that. You can't. You've got to get that up and over it. I really hope the camera can see that. That cord, you've got to get it up and over. So here's the ring. That's under it. So yeah, you need to do that as well on this side. Another thing to pay attention to. Right, they've made it a little bit easy because they've used flange nuts too. So, alright, so you need these. So stick it through, what musher. Make sure the washer's on the right way. So yeah, you want it set up like this. On the top, those are flange nuts. So you're right, you don't need, they do not require washers. And then you got the sleeve here, the nut sleeve. Another washer, and then the bolt. Also to note, this is incredibly close to the exhaust, so yeah, if you can wait for the car to cool down, that'll be greatly beneficial, and you won't get burned. So yeah, when you don't tighten, when you install it, don't tighten everything all the way, just get it most of the way, and that last little bit, just hit them up with the torque wrench, and go around to all of them and just do it. Well, I'm just going to show you these ones, because these ones are the easiest, and do it twice, yeah, that one's the easiest. These ones, I'll just show you. I'm going to have to get the wobbly on that one, otherwise. Good to go on this one. Yep, there you go. God, I hope this fits. If this doesn't fit, oh no.
Where are they? I used to have a set of crow's feet, but for the life of me, I just can't find them. I think I might have lent them out.
We can't tighten that bolt because we can't get it on there. What you do is you go to one over that is tight and you get a feel for how much force you're putting on it. This is a forbidden mechanic technique. This is quite dodgy, so just bear with us here. So, but if you're stuck, because I'm just going to torque this up like this, and then I'm going to come back to it with these crow's feet. So with that, so the similar power is about here. So that's where I'm going to tighten it up. Yep, and that's all right. Also, another reason I know this is torqued up is if you look up, this here is all clamped together, and that's how it's meant to be in the instructions. Okay, so this, my bob here, is called a crow's foot spanner. Yeah, it's been a couple of days. When you install it, you want to have the socket, the socket like that. If you got it here, you're under torquing it because the distance between here and here is less. If you've got it like that, you're over torquing it, so you do want it like that. Oh no. So you put that down like that. Bang, there we go. Happy. Righty, so there's a 17, that's a 17, this is a 17, 16. Alright, here we go. Oh, what do you know? It was that torque. Sweet. Hear that click? Now I've got to go all the way around. Hope you can see it and get it right. So it's still like that. Yep, sweet. Alright, so now we're going to do this one. Sweet, that's up to torque. Cool. Sweet, up to torque. Oh, I clicked it again. Come on, baby. Yeah, okay, so this one's... Oh, it was good. Just, you grab that bolt. Oh, sweet. Yeah, whenever you're using a torque wrench, make sure you set it at the end of each use. Make sure you set it to 0 because there's a spring in here. And if you leave it under tension, you'll affect the spring and then this will be out of calibration. This is why you need the 10mm drill. This hole here is not 10mm, so yeah, that bolt's just no way going through. Sorry, that bolt's no way going through, so you will need to drill that out. That's a 8mm hole, so yep, 10mm drill bit. We got in the boom. Where the hell? Oh yeah, on both in a sec. Yep, so rattle gun. The picture isn't that good. I'll just show you what they mean. Runs right near. So these are the brake lines, yeah? So you don't want to be crushing them, so you want it set up like this. So this part here hanging here, so if they ever get pulled out, it's gonna grab onto that. Not the brake, yeah, not the brake line. So this is the setup you want. You want it hanging over. Yep, cool.